Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
I'm supporting that.
Senator, let me take you away quickly from issue of security, but we are hearing some reactions coming from the upper part of the country in respect of the decision of the CBN to relocate some units and departments into Lagos. Under the aviation ministry, the FAN also is also thinking of doing the same thing. But it does look like some northern elites are not happy with it. Is there a consensus about this notion?
Yes, it's not only about northern colleagues. You know, this is a consensus because we only have one federal capital, and that is Abuja. All these Lagos boys that are thinking that Lagos is Nigeria are just misinforming or advising the president wrongly. The regulators of the financial institutions are supposed to be or are in Abuja. Do you want them to move back to where, because you say Lagos is the commercial capital? This is one of the mistakes, and I'm sure Mr. President will reverse it because it doesn't work. You can't have two capitals. Is the CBN governor going to be operating from Lagos and the headquarters of the CBN is in Lagos? Or do you now say that because majority of our oil is extracted from South-South, you take NNPC to South-South? Or is it because Nigeria's agricultural district is more in the north, you take Ministry of Agri to anywhere in the north? It doesn't work that way. And that is one of the problems that is cropping up. But I'm very sure, I'm very confident that Mr. President will look at this because he's a nationalist, not just a Lagos man. Some of these people think that, I'll repeat, some of them think that Lagos is Nigeria. Lagos is not Nigeria. Lagos is not the headquarters of Nigeria. The headquarters of Nigeria is in Abuja. It's not about North.
But
because Abuja is no man's land. It's not a Fulani.
This is for operational purposes.
Which is operational purpose? Why was the headquarters moved from Lagos to Abuja? Is it not because of the congestion?
It is not the whole of the CBN that is going to be moved, Senator. I'm just asking. The whole of the CBN is not, according to the CBN, it just say a unit or some units or department are going to be relocated to their Lagos office. They do have a Lagos office.
No. That doesn't work. If you have to do that, if you are talking about proximity and space, why don't you take them to Nasarawa there, or take them to Kogi, or take them to Kaduna, just nearby, so that you decongest the place? And I even don't see any issue of congestion. There is just going to be increase in cost because they will be running from Lagos to Abuja every time, spending more money. You end up spending more money, or exposing even the workers to unnecessary risk. This is a decision that is not well thought out, and I think the president will reverse it. I'm confident of that. And if that does not happen, of course, this is democracy. We'll know what to do.
And what would that be?
That is when the president refuses to do that.
What would be the reaction?
The reaction, of course, is that right now the reaction is we don't try to bring the issue of tribalism into it. I'm not a Hausa man and I'm not a Fulani man, but I'm a northerner and I'm a Nigerian first. And we say that since the headquarters of Nigeria was removed from Lagos because of congestion and because of inefficiency to Abuja, where it's most central and more of no man's land, because the Gwaris and the Bagis are the Gondora people are the only place. We have enough space there. CBN has offices that they can rent or build from their own to increase efficiency. But moving some departments to Lagos is not the best of ideas at all, or moving any agency on that matter.
Do you think that this has some political undertone, or it has some other ulterior motive? Do you think?
No, I don't want to believe that, because I know the president that much. It's just that those political cartels that I told you that are in the corridors of power are trying to misinform the president. And we'll tell the president. The president will take action. He's someone that listens and corrects anything. I'm sure he will do that. Because there is not any efficiency in it. They don't think, some of them think that they know better than everybody. They don't know anything. When you don't know Nigeria, you only know Lagos. Then you start doing things as if Nigeria is Lagos. No, Lagos is in Nigeria.
Senator Ali Ndume.
That's a wrong decision.
Thank you so much indeed.
We will not accept it.
Yeah. Always a pleasure as always having you.
And besides, they are not doing any favor to Mr. President because this will have political consequences.
Really?
Yes. I'm telling you this.
All right. We'll see how that goes.
And these guys who are just sitting down there trying to hang on to Mr. President will not be there to amend the political mistakes or even to correct it because they don't know anybody. They only know their offices and they only know that they have brains. They think some of us that it's politics. Was it not politics that brought them into that office in the first place? If Tinubu had not won the election as the president, will the central bank governor be central bank governor?
Senator Ali Ndume,
thank you so much. To that office.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Mr. President to that office.
Yeah.
Was it vote from Lagos?
Yeah, we're out of time tonight. Thank you so much, Senator Ali Ndume.
Okay.
I appreciate your time tonight.